So you have watched me do a quilt and a blanket for my newborn cousin, but there's this little detail I usually add to my quilts and blankets that I haven't shared with you. For most of my baby pieces, well, for my pet pieces as well, if I'm honest, I always add a name. The baby name, the pet name, whatever you need, I add it. Now, I do not do this by hand. I could, but it's harder work and the overall result just isn't as crisp. I use my very pink, very lovely Silhouette Cameo to do it. So what I do for my names is I write the name, pick the font and how I want it to look, and then I just cut it. It's as simple as that. And that's what I'll be showing you today. Now, this is the Silhouette Studio where I'm preparing the text I want to cut. Next, we're preparing the fabric by adding this iron-on interfacing to make sure it has the right consistency to be cut straight through. Okay, here we go. The moment of truth. Let's get cutting. Perfect, we're done. Now we remove the excess fabric and we will just iron it onto our blanket. Now I could sew this on the machine, I often do it, but today I'm hand sewing it. And I'm using these big stitches, as you can see, to make sure this blanket can be used and washed as much as they want it to without the name getting loose. And that's it, I'm done, and so is this blanket. If you want to see this blanket getting made, I have this video right here. You can watch. I will see you soon. Bye bye.